Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3.8. It's an iconic lightweight special edition variant of 993 Carrera generation. So before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. It features a silver body color and it has detailed headlights and the tail lights, and it has a real rider wheels and has a substantial weight, and the wheel moves smooth. I believe they have also released a different version called 71 Porsche 911, which comes in yellow and red, and it's a part of the car culture. However, this looks really cool in its own way. The attention to the detail is marvelous. I will cover that in next video, that is 71 Porsche 911. But this one, with the silver appearance inspired by the Fast and Furious, gives the Hot Wheels a really cool vibe. So my review about Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3.8 is, it's a legendary and it's a sports car which was produced in limited numbers, making it a true gem for the enthusiasts and the collectors. With its distinctive styling, performance and the rarity, the RS 3.8 remains an iconic part of the Porsche's legacy. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the silver version of Porsche? So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.